Can you solve these two power questions? Before I do, let's test your indices speed. Two questions are on the screen. What is the numerical value of 10 raised to power 1.5? And number 40, evaluate 32 raised to power 0.8. The first step in solving number 39 is that you need to convert the decimal power to fraction. The decimal power to fraction. So you have that 1.5 is 3 divided by 2. So the question becomes 100 raised to power 1.5 becomes 100 raised to power 3 over 2. The second step is that you have to apply the fractional index law. The fractional index law. What does the law say? I remind you, a raised to power m over n is the nth root of a raised to power m. All right, so in this particular question, the m is represented by 3 and the n is represented by 2 and the a is represented by 100. So what is the next step to take? Therefore, we have that 100 raised to power 3 over 2 is the square root of 100 raised to power 3. The next step is to solve the root first. So we have that the square root of 100 is 10 raised to power 3. Then we evaluate the power lastly. So we have that 10 raised to power 3 is equal to 1,000. That's your final answer, 1,000. Let's go to question number 40. Question number 40. Evaluate 32 raised to power 0.8. 32 raised to power 0.8. 0.8 is the same as 8 over 10, which is 4 over 5. So 32 raised to power 0.8 becomes 32 raised to power 4 over 5. And what's the next step to take is to apply the fractional index law. Apply the fractional index law. I remind you of the fractional index law again. A raised to power m over n is equal to the nth root of a raised to power m. So if you apply this law, you will have that 32 raised to power 4 over 5 is equal to the fifth root of 32 raised to power 4. The fifth root of 32, is 2. So we have 2 raised to power 4, which is 16. So your final answer is 16. 16 is your final answer for this question. Always check if the base is a perfect power. It makes fractional indices easy. If you want to master indices fast, watch the next video in this playlist. Don't forget to subscribe for daily